Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 7. Convenience store, shopping chat. Are you buying anything? Just a drink. Did you see the new snacks? Not yet. Isn't the convenience store crowded today? It is packed. Everyone is off work. Probably. Aren't you hungry? I am starving. What do you want to eat? I want rice balls. Is that ice cream good? I highly recommend it. I buy it every time. That much? Do you need a bag? I am okay. That is eco-friendly. I try to be. Haven't prices gone up lately? Much more expensive. It used to be cheaper. Seriously. I have never seen that drink. It came out today. It looks good. I will get one later. What are you looking for? Earphones. Did you find them? Not yet. Isn't the line long? Super long. Should we go somewhere else? Probably faster. Aren't there many sales today? Everything is cheap. Did you buy anything? Some snacks. Do you have your wallet? Oh no, I forgot it. Can you pay with your phone? I think so. Isn't that bag cute? It is really cute. I cannot decide. I think it suits you. Haven't you been shopping online a lot lately? A lot more lately. You must be excited. I really am. Didn't we buy too much today? I think so too. Aren't the bags heavy? Very heavy. Don't you want something sweet? I was just thinking that. Want to check the cakes? Sounds good. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.